Hello chess lovers, welcome to the complete chess endgame masterclass. In the previous two videos, we already covered many puzzles on block paired up pawn and a pass pawn. We learned how to control the key squares. Now this is the part 3 of the series on block paired up pawn and the passed pawn. In this video, I will discuss one of the classic and most complicated chess puzzle. This puzzle was given by Grigorev in 1920. In the following study, explain you typical problems with passed pawn that is not far advanced. Actually, in this puzzle, the black king causes the difficulties. For better understanding, let me explain you something. Here, white wins easily if it is black to move in the starting position. The reason is black will lose the control over the e2 square and white's king get to the e3 square, which helps him to win the game. Now it's not black to move, it is white to move, and you have to find the winning plan for white. Just pause the video and find the best move for white. If you were able to find the solution of the problem, then I am pretty sure that you have great potential to become a great chess player. Now it's time to solve the problem. The long-term plan starts with king to c2. Now not in this position d4. Because if in this position d4 is played, then we have possibly this continuation. King to e4, now king to c3, king to f5, king to d3, and now king to f4, and this is only draw. That's why not d4, but the best move is king to c2. Now we have king to f4, king to b3, king to f3, king to b2, and now black is in zugzwang. Now after king to b2, we have king to f4, now king to c2, and king to e5. If in this position, instead of playing king to e5, if king to f3 is played, then we have king to d2, king to f4, king to e2, king to e5, and now king to e3, and white is better. But after king to c2, we have king to e5, now we have king to d1, king to d5, king to d2, king to d4, king to d2, king to e5, king to e3, king to d5, now d4, king to c4, king to e4, king takes on b4, d5, and now king to c5. If here instead of playing king to c5, if king to a5 is played, then we have king to e5, and after b4, d6, king to b6, king to e6, b3, d7, king to c7, and now king to e7, and white is winning. For all of this, after d5 we have king to c5, and now king to e5, b4, d6, king to c6, king to e6, b3, d7, b2, d8 promoted to queen, now b1 promoted to queen, and now simply king to c8 check, and now you can see that white wins the game. And now you tell me how brilliant puzzle this is. Hope you enjoy the lesson and also learn how to deal with this kind of situation. This is all for this video. See you in my next video. Good luck.